Hey guys, today I would like to do an unboxing video for an Apple Watch, and this is my first time doing an unboxing video for Apple Watch because I have never purchased a new Apple Watch before. I used to purchase a second-hand Apple Watch, but this is my first time. The one that I get here is an Apple Watch SE, and it is the same as Apple Watch Series 6. But the big feature that was missing from this Apple Watch is blood oxygen and always on display. But I don't want to pay an extra $100, so that's why I get this one. And now let's get the box open. So we have this plastic here where you can peel. Let's go ahead and peel this one. And you have this paper on the side, so just go ahead and peel it. And now let's get the box open. So this is an Apple Watch itself. So now let me flip over. And this is an Apple Watch itself. And then we got the band here. So this is a rose gold one, but I'm gonna get another watch band. And now let's take a look on the cover here. So we have Apple Watch SE, including all the band and the color that available for the Apple Watch SE. So with the Apple Watch SE, there is no red color. If you want to get product red, you may need to go with an Apple Watch Series 6. Now let's open the box here. So we got an Apple Watch itself. There we go. And I'm gonna put this on the side first. And we got like some instruction like how to use an Apple Watch right here. I'm gonna put this on the side. And one more thing is a charger itself. Now let's take a look on the band. So let me go ahead and open it. And we got two sides here. So this is longer than this one. So this one, like if you need a short one, you may go ahead and use this one. And this one is a bit longer. So if you compare the size. And now let's take a look on an Apple Watch itself. So let me go ahead and peel this one. And you can see this is bigger than I expected. It is a 44 ohm. It seems like the battery is very low, so maybe I need to connect to the charger first. I'm gonna do another video on how to set up an Apple Watch SE. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this unboxing video, and it is my first time doing it, and I hope you don't mind if I made any mistake. Thanks for watching, then I will see you guys in the next one.